For my volume and area project, I'm doing the 1998 FRQ, and for the materials, I'm going to use this little poster and these writing utensils. And for showing the area and the volume, I'm going to take my pieces of sea glass and put it on the paper to show area and volume. I won't actually be gluing it down, but I will put it on just to show like where the area is and where the volume is. Okay, so far I have done the area. I found the area to be 44/3, and it is shown right here by my graph and the sea glass I put down. And for part B, I got x equals 2 because that is exactly the midpoint and the vertical line that makes the area equal on both sides. Because when you multiply by 1/2, you get 22/3. And I used the top-bottom method to get the actual area of 44/3. Okay, now I have found the volume, and it is shown by this graph right here. I also use sea glass again to show the volume of the actual revolution because it revolves around the x-axis. It's outlined right there. And for this method, I used the disk method because it doesn't have a hole. And the top function, which was r of x, was just the square root of x, so that was really easy to find because the square root of x squared, and I got 8 pi for the total volume. And again, for the value that I had to find, I got x equals 2 because it's just the exact middle again. It's the exact half of what the actual volume is. And this is my final product. I found the area right here and the volume right here. It is shown by the sea glass that I put down. My two functions were y equals square root of x and x equals 4. And I found the area to be 44/3. The value of x, that makes it exactly half, which is 2. The volume was 8 pi, and the value that made it exactly half on the volume was also 2. And that's my 1998 Bull FRQ question poster.